washers. We got our pressure washer all hooked up, the gun, all the hoses, the water's turned on. Now we're gonna start it up. So the first thing, obviously the motor's on. We wanna make sure our switch is on. And then we're gonna have to come over here. We want to make sure it's on to the turtle side. We want to make sure this, just go back and forth once or twice. So it's on. And then we have to have the choke on. And then now we're ready to pull this, but you also have to make sure that the person is squeezing the gun on the other side. So hopefully he's still doing that. We'll try to start her up here. Check our gas. We still have some gas in there. And then also this thing too, you don't want to point this at anything that can catch fire because there's going to be hot exhaust. We tried to turn the choke off and speed it up, but we stalled. So we'll go back to the choke on and then the turtle speed and try again.